Hello there, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be revealing my strategy. And you can also use this strategy to profit from Forex if you finding it hard to get a decent trading strategy. So first things first, I would start from a higher time frame, a weekly time frame. I'm currently in a weekly time frame, and then I would zoom out. You see what's happening in the bigger picture, and then switch to a line graph. Right, a line graph. Spot your highest high and your lowest low. So this is my highest high, and we place my lowest low, which is here. Yes. And then I'll spot my previous lowest low and highest high. As you can see, guys, this is my previous lowest low. This is my previous low. This is my previous high. Then what we would do, normally I normally place at least maximum of 5 key levels where the market hits and reverse. So this is my fifth key level, and then I'll switch back to a candlestick. Switch back to candlesticks. And then what you would do is, okay, the market is ranging in this, between this key level here and this key level. So excuse me. So what the next thing you would do is to go to a daily time frame, and on the daily time frame is where you identify patterns, your trend lines. Yes. So I use the weekly time frame to identify key levels, major key levels, and from the daily time frame going down, I use it to draw my trend lines and everything. So here I see that the market is in a descending trend. So this is a descending wedge, not mistaken. And then the next thing I would do is to draw my zones, zones on the daily time frame. And I prefer you to draw zones and not just key levels, because zones are more accurate and they can help you to see what's really happening. So for the daily time frame, I will place 3 zones. So my third zone being here. This is my third zone. Okay, I want to keep off my zone is. So the next thing you would do is to switch to a lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, I do what is called trends in trends, meaning that inside my daily trend, I also draw a trend inside my trend. So basically that's a trends in trend strategy, and it's highly effective. I would see that the market in this downward trend line, theta for most targets. Let's try to Just that touch. And then on the forward time frame, the next thing I do to draw my zones where the market reverses. Right. So yes, it's my zone 4 forward. Yes, this is my zone for the forward time frame. And then the next thing I would do is to move to a lower, which is the 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame, I also draw trends. So it's trends inside trends inside trends. So 3 trend lines. I mean 3 trends. 3 trends. So I see that the market is in this very trend. Right? And I'm seeing that the market is now below my resistance. This was a support, it's now a resistance, hence the market broke out of the zone. It's coming back for a retest. Right, so how would I use this strategy effectively? Let me get that. Let me fix this. Remove this. Yeah. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is my trend, my third trend. And yes, in the trends and trend strategy, I highly recommend you to draw a maximum of 3 trends from daily time frame, forward time frame, and 1 hour time frame. And I enter at 30 minutes. So basically, I'm a day trader and a swing trader. So how would I seize? How would I look for opportunities, right? So I would wait for the market. As the market retest, I would hope for the market to create for me this yes, this type of reversal. Yes, this type of reversal, right? And I would want the market to keep consolidate, play around, and then form for me either a double top or a head and shoulder. Any of the two reversal type patterns. So as you can see, this is my head and shoulders here. This is my head and shoulder killing show. So this is my head and shoulder. So I would wait for the market to play around, either give me any of these two reversal patterns, either this double top here or any head and shoulder. Then here I would confirm my sell, and it would be a high probability trade. Hence, this is my first touch, my second touch, my third touch, and it's forming a double top inside a head and shoulder, and it's retesting my zone that we previously broke out of. Hence, it's high probability trade. And I would go about riding the trend till my zone with proper risk management of a risk to reward ratio of at least 1:1.5 for me, like personally. least 1:1.5. Reason being that I want I am avoiding stop hunts from the market, so that's why I have my risk reward uh, extremely like at maximum is 1:1.5. So this is how I would enter my sell, and why would I place my stop loss above this entry here and not at a risk reward ratio of 1:1.5? Because I see that the market would make my third touch, and normally when the trend is forming a third touch, it's more powerful to make an impulse move. So hence we are in an overall bearish trend, and bearish trend inside this trend. It would confirm for me like a high probability trade for me to enter with. So here it's 2.9. It's a great risk to reward ratio, but it doesn't mean you should risk all your money. Proper risk management. So thank you guys for watching, and this is my strategy. Comment down below if you have any questions, and if you like the video, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more strategy. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next video.